Hello students, in this session we are going to discuss how muscles work or exactly what happens in muscles which help in movement of our body. So it is said that muscles are attached to the bone with the help of tendons. We discussed this in our earlier sessions, right? Muscles are attached to the bones with the help of tendons. Tendons are non-elastic tissues which attach the muscles to the bone. Secondly, it is said that muscles always work in pair. The two muscles work together to perform a particular function. We will discuss one example which will clear this point, how muscles work in pair. It is also said that they pull and push the bone. How? We will see in the example. It is said that muscular movement occurs when muscle contracts and relax. Okay, so there is a contraction and relaxation because of which there is a movement and because of which we can able to move. So let's talk with the help of an example about muscular movement which will clear all these points which are mentioned here. So look at this image. You might have heard people saying, I went to gym and see my biceps have grown so nicely. So what do you mean by bicep? Bicep is the name of a muscle present in your upper arm. Tricep is also the name of the muscle present in your lower arm. Upper arm itself. Now bicep is present on the upper side of the upper arm, whereas tricep is present on the lower side of the upper arm. I used to generally get confused. Where is bicep? Either on the upper side or on the lower side. So bi means 2. Okay, and tri means 3. So 2 always come above 3, hence biceps are always present above the upper arm. Only an analogy to connect and do not get confused whether bicep is present on upper arm or tricep is present on upper side of upper arm. I remember by 2 always present above. So bicep is always present on the upper side of the humerus, whereas tricep is present on the lower side of the humerus, and both these muscles are attached to the humerus, scapula, radius. You can see the attachment also with the help of tendons. Now let's talk about their movement. It is said that when the biceps contract, okay, when the biceps contract, what happens? Your arms fold. As you see in the picture, your arms fold. Why do your arms fold? So what happens when the biceps contract? It contracts and becomes short in length and swollen. You can see they become short in length. When suppose this is, if I show you here, okay, so initially biceps are like this, straight long muscles. But when they contract, or what happens, they become short in length and they become swollen. Since they become short in length, they become swollen. Swollen means, as you see in the picture, they become enlarged in size. So just fold your hands and see and feel it on your upper arm. You will see something on the upper arm has come outside. It is swollen. Why? Because the biceps or these muscles are become short in length, and when they become short in length, they swell. Okay, they become enlarged. Okay, so first point you have to remember is when the bicep contracts, it becomes short in length and it becomes swollen. When it becomes short in length, it will but obviously pull the bone to which it is attached. So, since it becomes short in length, it tries to pull the radius to which it is attached. Radius is the bone present in your lower arm. So, biceps, what will happen? First it will contract. When it contracts, it becomes short in length, it becomes swollen, and since it becomes short in length, it tries to pull the bone which is there, and when the bone is pulled, what happens? Your hands automatically get folded. Okay, now at the same time, when the biceps contract, triceps relax. Okay, I said the first point that muscles always work in pair. So it is said that when the biceps contract, triceps relax. Okay, since the triceps are relaxing, the ulna is at its place. Now let's see how to straighten your hand. So what happens when you straighten your hand? What happens? The triceps will contract. Just put your hand straight and just check at behind portion, it will be little hard and bulging outwards. So why it is hard and bulging outwards when you put your hand straight again? Because when you put your hand straight, what happens? The triceps contract. Okay, now if the tricep is contracting, what will happen to the bicep? It will relax, it will become straight. Since it is become straight, the swollen part will also get reduced, and the bone which it has pulled, it will also push the bone, right? So it is said that when the triceps contract, biceps relax, and when the biceps relax, it comes back to its original size, and hence it pushes the bone back to its position, and hence your hands get straightened. Okay, so this is how muscles work in pair. When one contract, one relax, another contract, the first one relax. This is how muscular movement takes place in your body. This is one example. Everywhere in your body, you talk about your legs, you talk about your hands. Everywhere in your body, there is two muscles which work together. One will contract, other will relax, and then the movement takes place. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will try to answer it to the best of my knowledge. Also, please do subscribe my channel and click on the like button. Thank you.